Example 5 of the Solving Exponential and Logarithmic Equations lab, we have the following equation. The natural log of 4x plus 16 is equal to 3.5. We want to solve for this x, so we need to get this x out of this logarithm and into an exponential function. So the way we're going to do that is by this equivalency formula, where we have log of base b of value p is equal to m is the equivalence of b to the m is equal to p. So we're going to find out what our b, our p, and an m are. So we have b is equal to, p is equal to, and m is equal to. So a natural log is just a log of base where the base is e. So this has a base of e. So our b is e. Our p is 4x plus 16, it's the value. And our value and our m is this 3.5. So now we're going to write it in this form right here. B to the m equals p. So our b was e, our exponent was our m, and it's equal to p, so 4x plus 16. So we now have our x alone relatively, so now we know what else to do. So we're going to subtract 16 both sides. So e to 3.5 minus 16 is equal to 4x. And then divide by 4 on both sides. So we have e to the 3.5 minus 16 divided by 4 is equal to x. And if you plug that into a calculator, see, you get x is about 4.2789. We need to check this answer to make sure that it fits in our original equation. If you substitute x equals 4.2789, you'll find that you'll multiply it by 4 and then add 16. This was already a positive number, so whatever we put in here and these types of multiplying by 4 plus 16 will just make the number even more positive and greater instead of negative or 0. Anything in here cannot be 0 or negative. It has to be greater than 0, so we know that this x is an answer and that it'll work. So this x works.